don't need this.
Vintage 93 TV totally kicked the bucket. Yo, this blasted, man. A Woody.
Hi, I'm Bryony. We spoke on the phone. Excuse me. Yes? No, Chad. No, I have to work tonight. No, I am not breaking up with you. What are you, 11? Grow up. Chad, I love you, but this is my career. This is my career. Hi, sorry. Where were we? Yes, okay. I need you to sign this release here, and this release here, and this release right here, and initial here. Great. So that just means the show can go on, right? Because this is show business. God, if I hear that line one more time. Anyway, this is Arena War. Show business for the selfie generation. Marketed by the baby boomer generation with a testosterone patch and a web browser that he uses to search youth hobbies. My God.
Hey.
Oh, here he comes now.
What do you think about the national anthem?
The national anthem?
Yeah, the national anthem. It's like a sports event. Patriotism is back. It's like heroin.
But it's not a sport. Our tagline is, this isn't sports, this is life and death.
Well, it's gonna be a sport someday. I mean, like football and soccer, only in cars. I mean, young children will one day dream of smashing their brains into a pulp in cars, not the gridiron. These people are heroes.
Okay, I still think the national anthem is a bad idea.
Yeah, well, maybe. What about a rapper? What about a woman rapper? How about one of those people that does things online? Well, sex. More sex. Modern sex. Listen to me. I may be a dinosaur, but trust me, Adam still likes to do the nasty with Eve. My generation did not get that wrong. Cars and sex. Get me more sex. Welcome to Alan Jerome Productions. I'm Al Jerome. Love the outfit, by the way. Do you want to drive? Are they going to drive?
They signed a release.
Well, that means something's happening. Hey, this is Vinewood after all. Hey, ciao, Bella. I gotta go work out.
Oh, I want to stab him with a fork. I'm such a sellout. Film school. I went to film school. All that money. I want to make art.
Sugar?
It's Bryony.
Hey, for the record, Bryony sounds like a man.
No, it doesn't. Brian sounds like a man. Bryony sounds like I had a narcissistic father named Brian.
That's cute. I like that. I need a green tea up to the booth. And tell all the talent to get out there. We've got art to make.
Okay. All right. You get dressed, take the car, and get out there. Don't break a leg, and then we'll show you around. And good luck. Just sort of smash things and listen to the
Is
commentator.
Jack Crayley coming in? Where's my tea? I need a tea.
Coming, Alan!
It's Al. Alan sounds old.
Hey, you did good! And you're gonna be a huge internet star, which is the most important thing.
I love you. I fucking love you. I love this person. You're going viral. It's like bubonic plague. We've got the new fucking plague. I love it. I want the whole show. Sign them up. Good contract, fair, partners. This is modern entertainment. I'm back. First I conquered 3D cinema. Then I conquered reality TV. Then I conquered sequels. And now, short format web TV. Thanks to you two. Well, I'm gonna get a star and a prize. And you're gonna get rich. Okay, I need to get an entirely non-erotic, medically supervised massage to calm down. I love you both. We're gonna get rich. I'll see you later. Remember, we shoot after lunch.
Oh my god. Well, now we can breathe. Let me show you around. This is Sasha. He's your mechanic. He gets the cars ready for the show. Sasha! Hello!
Oh, hello! Armenia! Techno! Oh, good techno! Techno party! Good car, huh? This is my car. You bring me your car, I make funky.
He's Armenian. He likes techno. I've worked with him for 14 months. It's all I know too. Come on. This is a garage where you can store your cars and leave instructions for Sasha. It's probably best that you write them down. He's very talented, but evidently communication can be a little limited. Unless you're really into techno, I guess. All right, moving right along. Come on, follow me. And this is your career path. Well, no, this is Peter's career path, who you bought the place from. Peter came to, an unfortunate end, but it's why you got the place, right?
Bryony, we are in production here. We are making viral entertainment. Where's my tea?
I have to go. Coming, Alan.
It's Al.